Are you curious why my friend completely failed? Let's find out the cause. Let's find out why you shouldn't add an outlet to an existing switch. Turn off the circuit breaker. First, open the cover starting from the bottom. Then, use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the top and bottom screws. Hold the entire switch component and pull it out from the outside as well. You can see two strands of wire inside. Press the top and bottom with a flathead screwdriver to pull out each wire. The switch component has been completely separated. This is the part to be replaced, and we will soon find out why it isn't working. Connect the wires from top to bottom. The top and bottom are not connected. Connect the switch and outlet by connecting the additional wire. Tighten the screws at the top and bottom, and then close the lid. Turn on the circuit breaker. The light bulb is not working properly. This is because there is insufficient power, as that wire is directly connected to the ceiling light. It is not operating because the current power is electrically connected in series with the light. Please be sure to check the wiring when handling switches.